Prep stage. There isn't really a prep. Maybe just make sure you've got a item you want to use open. We'll go for this one. And if you're in the Patreon, I'll paste this in... Oh, you know what? Maybe I can paste this in the chat of the YouTube as well, because the description on YouTube doesn't like special characters. But you can grab a hold of these to make it a little bit easier for you to do what you need to do in this. That's about it. Prep. Done. Part 1 starts. Well, there's only one part anyway, is there? Oh, we'll see. Okay, so I've discovered that you can clean up your chat window or your description window by calling it something, and where your name appears, hold shift and that key that's under backspace. It's under backspace but above enter. See if I can find a picture of a keyboard. Right. Is this, whatever this thing is, it's called the pipe key, apparently. But hold shift, press that, and you'll get a straight line. This will make this half invisible in the game. Next, you can copy and paste this entire thing if you like, if you don't already have a description. But if you do, go ahead and grab the front color half, stick that at the front of wherever you want your speech to start, and wherever you want the color to end and a paragraph or a line break to be added, paste it at the end. I'm gonna have to do this again because I just realized that it was there as if it was already there, which is not correct. Okay, so if you already got your description, copy the front half, paste that. I know where I want the color to end. Paste that here. The end means it's going to do a line break. This is actually HTML speech. Well, it's a bit Python-y as well, but Sims 4 Studio uses HTML, I've noticed. Cool. We'll put this up here. Just in case I use this in post. If you want to change the color, because at the moment by default this is a green color, if you want to change the color, you can look up hex color codes or use Photoshop or a program that you know allows you to color pick in some way. Okay. And whatever color it is you like, make sure you grab the hashtag of it. I don't think we need to click all the way into that. Grab the number of it and paste it here. Once you do, it will change whatever you stuck in between the font with that color. So just so we can take a look and test it out. And so now, when we go in and take a look. Okay. It's hidden that side of our creator name, and it's changed the color of the bit we wanted to change the color of. Nice. Part 1 done.